guys, so we got the F-150 back up and running, as you can tell. We're headed to HMP. I'm gonna do another couple passes probably with the new gears just to see how it reacts. So far, at least cruising speed, I can tell a big difference as far as like RPM, you know, where I'm sitting at. But other than that, everything came out good. The drivetrains sounds normal. It's working. 4x4 is working again. Nothing's locking up. So I'm gonna try today to go make my personal best pass. And I didn't take a trailer, so I don't know. I just didn't want to deal with the trailer right now, but I guess if it breaks, then I'll deal with it later. I'm gonna try to go hit my personal best without a trailer. So fingers crossed, everything's fine. And like I said, everything's fine so far. We did the front diff with 331 gears now. I still put the stock carrier. I had a Yukon there, but man, I don't know. I just don't trust Yukon too much. So I left it with the stock, pretty much the stock, just gears in the front, and then 331s in the back with the same heated true track I've been running. Other than that, that's all I did. Checked everything else, everything was fine. So yeah, we're gonna go make a little pass, see what she does. But yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see if we catch some runs or something. So keep watching. good pass. I think we picked out 18 pounds. So not bad. First pass with these gears. Took off kind of soft, but she still took off. She still got it pretty good. So see what we ran. It should be in the low sixes. I don't know if it hit a 5. For sure it hit a low 6s. So we'll see right now. See what it ran. Said I think I took off on 3,000 RPM. I didn't even build up boost yet, but yeah, it hit like 15, 16, and I turned it up a little bit. So, but yeah, it's pretty good. Nothing happened. We're still driving it back. Let's check out the time slip. All right, we got a 6.1 at 120. We get a 1.660 foot, about a 60 foot. So I set the boost at 15 pounds. I didn't even build boost off the line. I just held it at 3,000. Floored it, hit a 1.660. And then past halfway on the track, I hit it 18 pounds. So pretty good pass for the first pass on the new gears, the new diff. We just finished it today, so and then we get to drive it home. That's the best part. So drove it here, ran a 6.1, and drive it back home. We might come back Sunday, try to hit a 590, 580.